everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna do something a little different. Can you guess? Yeah, we're cooking today. I'm so excited. Yeah, a little bit something different. So we're making the well-known Nigerian dish called Abacha. Yeah, you got it. So it's really what we call it in English is African salad. Yeah, that's how you say it in English, African salad. So it's actually Abacha in Igbo. So it's actually a well-known dish, yeah, in the Igbo culture. Yeah, so there are actually basically two types. There's you can make it into just the watery type of abacha and the dry kind. No, the watery is not like so mushy and everything. Trust me, it's actually the best. I like that one. But the dry one, it's usually most preferable to most people though. So if anyone needs tips on how to make the watery kind, comment your question down below the video and I'll help you go through it. Then I'll also be teaching you how to pronounce some household items in this video. Yeah, so make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notification. Now let's begin. Okay guys, so these are some kitchen items. Yeah, so the first one is how to pronounce the kitchen. It's pronounced useku. That's the pronunciation of kitchen in Igbo. Then in the kitchen, the first thing we see is the pot, right? So it's pronounced pot in English, but in Igbo it's pronounced ite. Yeah, ite. So knife in Igbo, it's pronounced knife in English, but in Igbo it's mma. That's how you call it in Igbo, mma. Then spoon in Igbo, what we call it in spoon in English is pronounced spoon in English, but in Igbo it's pronounced ngaji. Ngaji, that's spoon. Then fork is pronounced ngajeze. Yeah, it's so funny. Ngajeze. That's how you pronounce fork in Igbo. Then guess what? How you pronounce the refrigerator in Igbo? Yeah, Igbo. That's how you pronounce it in Igbo. So funny, right? Yeah, all these Igbo terms are actually so funny, and yeah. So it's pronounced Igbo refrigerator. Igbo in Igbo. Then the soap you use in the kitchen is pronounced ncha. That's how we call it in Igbo, ncha. Then the plate in Igbo is pronounced efere. That's how you pronounce plate in Igbo, efere. Then bottle in Igbo, it's pronounced karama. It's not the karama lotion, no, it's karama. That's how you pronounce bottle in Igbo. Then cup in Igbo, it's pronounced iko. That's how you pronounce cup in Igbo, iko. Then the mortar and pestle, the mortar is pronounced ikwe. That's mortar in Igbo. And then pestle is pronounced akodo. That's what you call pestle in Igbo, akodo. Then some food, that's the little things in the kitchen. Then some foods like what we call food in generally in Igbo is nri. That's how you call food in Igbo, nri. Then egg in Igbo is akwa. Yeah, akwa, that's egg in Igbo. Then rice in Igbo is pronounced osikapa. That's rice in Igbo. Then yam in Igbo is pronounced ji. That's yam in Igbo, ji. Then meat in Igbo is ano. Yeah, that's what you call meat in Igbo, ano. Then fish in Igbo is azu. Yeah, that's what we used for the abacha I just prepared. Azu, that's how you call it in Igbo. Fish is azu. Then onions in Igbo is yabasi. Yabas, that's how you pronounce onions in Igbo. Then oil in Igbo, what we use to prepare the abacha is mmanụ. That's what you call oil in Igbo, mmanụ. Then the pepper in Igbo is ose. That's what you call pepper in Igbo, ose. Then salt is nnu, and water is mmiri. So I hope today's video was so fun, the whole cooking and everything. So tell me how you feel concerning the video, and you can use the comment section down below. Tell me how you feel about everything, and I'm so glad I did this. So I think this is where we come to the end for today. So try as much as possible, turn on your post notifications so whenever I post a video you would know, and we'll try as much as possible to make this a fun, yeah. So thank you so much everyone, and make sure to comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and I think that's it for today. So bye.